Hi everyone, if you're looking for something cool and something awesome, then you're in the right place. We will show you some of the coolest gadgets that you can be surprised by right now. Are you tired of cumbersome gym equipment and complicated workout routines? Gymera is here to change the game. It is simple to enjoy smooth training using voice or gesture control without stopping and changing things. Moreover, the AI-formed guidance and real-time tracking will help you achieve your fitness dreams faster than you thought possible. And don't worry about space. Gymera's compact design fits anywhere, and its built-in wheels lets you take it on the go. But here's the real game changer. You can gather your friends for a virtual workout via video chat, no matter where they are. Together, you'll smash those fitness goals, all while having a blast. Are you ready to experience the future of urban commuting like never before? The Rydology electric scooter boasts dual 1500 watt motors that allow it to reach a top speed of 52 miles per hour. That's right, 52 miles per hour. Additionally, its battery life allows for a range of up to 50 kilometers. It can also climb inclines up to 40%, allowing you to navigate your mountainous city easily. On top of that, it features a 3.5-inch handlebar display, 11-inch by 3-inch pneumatic tires, and a NFC card reader. The Rydology scooter is the future of urban mobility. The AZIO Cascade 98 keyboard has a unique design that allows you to customize and personalize it. This keyboard is minimalist, yet efficient with its height near your workstation, to keep your wrist in a more natural posture for extended typing sessions. Thanks to the additional row of function keys and full-size number pad, it's great for home or business use, but it doesn't stop there. The hot swappable switches allow you to swap out your switches whenever you want for a different feel. If a switch breaks, there's no need to buy a new keyboard, just replace the broken switch. Are you tired of juggling between different suitcases for various trips? Say hello to the VELO 3-in-1 expandable hard side luggage, the ultimate travel companion with many incredible features. With VELO, you can effortlessly switch between 3 sizes, a compact 16-inch carry-on, a spacious 22-inch medium check-in, and an expansive 26-inch large check-in, all in one sleek package. Its water-resistant PU exterior ensures your belongings stay safe, even in light rain, and the aerospace-grade aluminum frame guarantees durability like no other. Furthermore, it has extra-wide pop-up handle, making maneuvering a breeze. With just a button press, you can expand or compress this luggage in seconds. Ossby GEO is developed, designed, and manufactured with mindfulness of the environment to transform urban mobility. Weighing in just 24 pounds, it's a breeze to carry upstairs, stow in your vehicle's trunk, or even take with you on public transportation. But that's not all. The Ossby GEO is crafted from a unique composite frame with a lifetime warranty, ensuring its durability. With an impressive range of 31.25 miles, you can explore your city like never before. Plus, it's equipped with wireless Bluetooth technology for app connectivity, which puts the power of control right at your fingertips. Ever thought about a blender that's light yet powerful and can go wherever you go? Using the groundbreaking magnetic air drive, this Millo Air blender boasts a whopping 450 watt peak power and precision engineered German blades that can turn ice, nuts, or even a carrot into puree in moments. Plus, it's waterproof, making it your ultimate travel companion. Imagine blending up to 10 smoothies on the go, whether you're at the gym, in the office, or lounging on the beach. With its easy-to-use presets, you can whip up silky smooth drinks in less than a minute. Tired of struggling with zippers and fumbling for essentials while juggling your little one? Look no further than the Quilbie diaper bag. With a simple shake, it springs open effortlessly thanks to the innovative spring ease technology. No more wrestling with zippers or cumbersome closures. It stays wide open as long as you need it to, ensuring lightning-fast access to diapers, bottles, snacks, and more, all while keeping your precious bundle in your arms. Plus, this 100% recycled stain-resistant polyester bag has a changing pad and a magnet flap for simple wipe access and will handle your daily trips in style. Do you ever wonder what it's like to have the perfect cup of coffee every morning? This MOMENTEM coffee grinder offers a hassle-free 2-step grinding process, unlocking a broader flavor spectrum for your coffee creations. Its dual burr grinding system features a first canonical burr for pre-breaking and a second for even feeding, guaranteeing an unparalleled coffee grinding experience. Moreover, this product empowers you to craft unique brewing recipes for any method, giving you the power to surprise your taste buds every time. The CIGA mechanical watch is not just a watch, it's a statement, a reminder to cherish and care for our precious world. It displays Earth's daily rotation right inside of the dial, with intricate microcarvings capturing mountains, oceans, and the essence of nature. The navigation marker on the dial is the only pointer, providing a novel method to read the time. In addition, the static hour dial collaborates with the dynamic minute dial to display the time in a cutting-edge visual design. Have you ever seen a mouse so slim, lightweight, and elegant? This mouse is a true marvel of portability at just 4.5mm thick and 40 grams in weight. Its origami-inspired design allows it to fold flat for easy storage and magically snap into action when needed. No more unsightly bulges in your pockets or bags. Besides, with Bluetooth 5.2 connectivity, you can kiss dongles goodbye and connect effortlessly to any Bluetooth-enabled device with minimal latency. Whether you're working on the go, in a cafe, or at your desk, this mouse enhances your productivity and fits comfortably in your hand. Looking for the perfect camera backpack that will revolutionize your content creation experience? The Kiboko City commuter has an innovative roll-top design that provides not one, but two convenient access points for your gear. The rear panel compartment has customizable dividers, ensuring your equipment is perfectly organized and ready immediately. Need more space? No problem. With the roll top down, it offers a generous 18 liters of capacity and an impressive 22 liters when unrolled. This backpack can handle anything and everything you throw its way. With the Bitplay WanderCase for the iPhone 14 series, you can secure and style your smartphone. The clear backplate offers anti-scratch protection while maintaining a slim and lightweight profile. The independent metallic buttons ensure your phone's functionality remains top-notch. Plus, it's compatible with MagSafe and key wireless charger, so you'll never have to leave your phone vulnerable while charging. But wait, there's more. You can pair it with Bitplay's Urban Light Strap or Multi-Use Adventure Strap to transform your case into a versatile accessory that matches your adventurous lifestyle. These revolutionary crowd cookware pans are designed to transform your cooking experience. Crafted with precision and care, they feature a pure titanium construction that is incredibly durable and compatible with all heat sources. Not only do they conduct heat efficiently, but they also have a 5-ply construction that ensures even cooking and energy savings. Additionally, the cool touch handle means that you can flip, saute, and stir fry without the need for oven mitts. And when it comes to cleanup, these pans are a breeze. Because guess what? They're dishwasher safe. You don't have to worry about your work equipment when you utilize the FlexiSpot E7 Pro Plus standing desk. With its impressive BIFMA certification, you can trust that it's built to last. But that's just the beginning. The FlexiSpot boasts smooth moving thick leg columns and a rock-solid carbon steel base that can effortlessly support a jaw-dropping 355 pounds. Worried about cable clutter? Fear not, this desk has an embedded cable tray underneath the desktop, ensuring a clutter-free workspace. Also, the premium panel includes a convenient USB charging port, 4 height presets, and a child lock for added safety. We hope you enjoyed our video about the coolest new gadgets available. We have a lot more content coming soon, so make sure you subscribe and turn on notifications. Thank you so much for watching, and of course, we'll see you soon.